Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. In my today's video, I will explain 10 frame to you. Number 10 frame. It is basically used for counting different objects and different number of things. It is also called these are called counters, and I'm going to place some counters in the number frame. This 10 number frame is always like this, that you can place 5 objects on the on one row and 5 objects in another row, and you can easily count them that they are 3. And this number frame can also be used for addition and subtraction, and sometimes for comparing different objects. In some books it can be written like this, that place some objects in the number frame. So these counters can be used as objects. Don't get yourself confused with different names. Okay, so how many objects are they? They are 6, because we know that there are always 5 on one row. There are always 5 objects on one row, and if they are like this, so we will say that they are 6. Okay, now if we will put 2 objects here, so it is 7. It is 8. Now it is 8. We can easily count the objects by using 10 number frame. Okay. And it can be used, this number frame can be used as comparing objects like this. If you have a number frame like this, and sorry, I should copy this number frame first. Let me copy it, or I can show it to you from Google as well. Yes, a mother has shared this book with me, and she was saying that please explain this page to me. Put one object in each space, count them. So it is just like this. You can put one object in each space and count it. And what else is written on it? Put same objects into different spaces, count them again. Okay. The purpose of this frame is we will put the objects this way. But if we put the objects the other way, if we put the objects like this, it becomes difficult for the child to count. But the objects will remain the same. How many are they? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to count. If they are placed differently, you have to count. But if they are placed in a row, then you can count them easily. If they are placed in a row, then it's easy for you and for your child to count them, to tell that they are 5. The purpose of this counter is just make the counting easier for your child. Um, okay, count them. You count to the same number each time. Okay, which domino has, okay, we are done with this counter number frame. Okay, which domino has 7 spots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one has 5, the second one has 6, maybe the third one has 7. Okay. Now I'll tell you how to use number 10 frame as a comparison tool. Let's just copy this. There are two different frames. In frame number 1, there are only 5 objects, and in frame number 2, there are in frame number 1 there are 10 objects, and in frame number 2 there are 5 objects. Okay, and I think I clicked on something wrong here. Okay. Now if I put something like this here and here, then which counter has more objects? The first one. Okay, let's do it with my frame. I think this frame is more clear and it is looking more beautiful. This frame has 5 objects. Let me put a copy of this frame here. Control plus C. Control plus C is a short key for copying, and Control plus V is a short form of pasting. Control plus V. It is used in Microsoft Windows. Okay, I think I should put the other frame here like this. Okay, now put some objects. How many are they? Count them. There are 8. And which counter has more objects? This one has 7 and the other one has, this one has 8. So this counter has more objects. This is very easy topic, but sometimes kids really get confused when they are not explained well. I hope that this video will help your child and will help you too. Thanks for watching, and you also can send me any of your question from any book. I will help you to solve the questions, and you can contact me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.